Okay, this is the unboxing of the Netac 500 gig M.2 NVMe SSD, and I got the case, which is the 1.4Q USB 3.1 Gen to 10 gigabit per second SSD enclosure to make it my external hard drive. Let's unbox this. So it comes with the two screws and the user's manual, and this one has a 3-year warranty, so I decided to get this one because this one is cheaper than the well-known brand. So I'm gonna try it out. Then I do own some of the Netac flash drive, and it worked so far, no problem. So I just decided to get this, the NVMe SSD. Okay, and then I'm gonna install this enclosure as well. Because if you're gonna buy the whole thing, it's more expensive. This one, I got this for like 20 bucks, and then this one is around, I think it's 59. So it does come with USB-C, and then the USB-C adapter and a USB-A. So it's pretty cool. And the tools. Okay. And the screws and the screw or Phillips screwdriver. Alright, so let's open this. Slide it to open. Let me take this screw out first. Okay. And let's put this the thermal pad to the SSD. You know what? Let me just remove it. So the case itself, the enclosure, it's aluminum made, and yeah, it's very much solid. It doesn't feel cheap. So there you have it, guys. This is only a quick unboxing and SSD enclosure installation. So if you have a question, please let me know and put your question down below. And if you like it and subscribe, then I appreciate it. And see you on my next video. Peace.